Hi Cancer! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 4 to August 6 reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that's Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Cancer. If you still care about your exes, hindi ko na po dito ipopost, no? Itong X-Files na isa sa mga segment dito sa channel. Doon na po siya sa Facebook, no? Kasi yung iba po ayaw naman ng mga readings for exes. So doon na lang, no? Sa Facebook. So, you might wanna check on it. Facebook is Babaylan TV, no? So, Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na po tayo. Cancer, ang nakikita ko parang meron ding may pag-amin na ikaw lang sa puso ko, wala naman akong iba, or wala na akong iba, no? Meron din ditong bakit ayaw mo maniwala, no, na mahal kita. Bakit ayaw mong paniwalaan? Ganun ba yung naging impression ko sa'yo, no? I also felt that um, for a few numbers of you with the serendipity in here, this connection of yours is heading towards to another level, to another plane, to another level of commitment, no? So, for those of you who are in yung mga crushes, or mutual understanding situationship, no? I felt like magiging official, no? Magkakaroon din talaga dito ng finally, no? Ito din yung inaantay ko. Sasabihin natin si person A, siya yung merong aaminin, siya yung merong mga sasabihin. Si person B, siya yung parang matutuwa sa good news, no? Siya ang matutuwa na at last, no, um, magkakaroon tayo ng agreement. Ito lang yung hinihingi ko sa'yo, no? It doesn't matter kung material things ba yan, or um, spiritual, emotional, no? There's one thing here na very important kay person B, which is ibibigay naman ito ni person A, no? With the Eight of Cups, the Sun, and the Ten of Cups, muntik-muntikanan na. Muntik-muntikanan ng masira itong relationship. For a little while, no? Nagkaroon ng siguro pause, issues, challenges, na ang akala siguro kahit nitong ni person A and ni person B, lalo na nung mga nakapaligid, no? Parang merong cliffhanger na, oh shit, katapusan na yata ito nila, no? So parang ang dami ding ng hinayang, or yan, ng hinayang sa challenges na nangyari sa inyo. Pero may plot twist, no? Ito pala yung magiging plot twist na um, para siyang isang movie. Ang kwento nito is parang isang movie na nagpa-roller coaster, no? Parang iba-ibang klaseng emosyon ang makikita, no? Ang mararanasan nito ninyong dalawa. Actually, there's shock factor din dun sa mga taong mga nakapaligid sa inyo with the Seven of Cups and the Four of Swords. Sabihin nating pause, yun nga, pause. Napagod lang sa isa't isa. Napagod lang lumaban nung isa. Ngayon, hindi na sila magkaaway. Kumbaga, they are a team. No? Dati kasi parang, bakit tayo ang Bakit parang pakiwari ko tayong dalawa ang magkaaway? Eh, relationship naman natin 'to. Hindi ba dapat tayo ang magkakampi, 'no? So, there is a realization na for both of them to go on just one route, 'no? With the King of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. What I am seeing in here is there's gonna be, sabihin natin, kaya naman kasing ibigay nito ni person A. Um, Kumbaga, either tinikis, naging madamot lang that time, no? So, kaya napagod din itong si person B siguro ng kakaantay, no? With the Queen of Wands and the Six of Wands. So, actually, there are either requests, demands, prayers. Um, Person B is wanting to experience. And I believe that this is the answered prayer of, or answered request, no? A demand also that will be granted, no? Pwede din kasing may inis na rin somewhat, no? Si person B, minsan pa ba lang na rin mag-utos or hingin itong bagay na to. With the Death card, the Hierophant, and the Three of Cups. What I want, ang pinakamagandang lumabas dito is the Hierophant with all of these issues, no? Na nangyayari kasi Hierophant is a person who can apologize, and I'm actually not looking at it as if I'm going to apologize, I'm not going to be less of a person, no? Um, so napaka-grounded nitong Hierophant. Um, I feel like meron ding magte-take ng responsibility, no? Um, na oo, ako itong may kasalanan, no? Wala naman siyang kasalanan, ako talaga. So, I'm willing to change. I'm seeing the Queen of Swords and the Tower. So, it felt like meron lang konting ines na mangyayari dito kasi kaya mo naman palang pabilisin itong takbo. Parang pinagod mo pa ako, 'no? Kailangan pa ba dadating ako sa part na maiinis ako, magagalit ako? Kailangan pa ba dadating tayo sa part na maghihiwalay pa tayo? Eh, ibibigay ko rin naman pala, 'no? Um, ang nakakaasar lang sa part ni person B is ang tagal kong hingin, 'no? Parang pinadaan mo pa ako sa mga tests, tapos ibibigay mo rin siya ng gano'n kadali, wherein in the first, you know, yung upfront, alam kong kaya mo na. Siguro, kung titignan din naman natin person B, si person A, baka hindi siya ready that time. So, madaming excuses, madami siyang probably na mga alibis, reasons, no? Um, but since nakakita nga siya ng pause, no, doon niya na-feel itong longing. Doon niya na-feel itong hindi ko rin pala kayang mabuhay ng wala si person B, no? So, there is like a realization, an enlightenment that happened. No, kasi sabi nga nila palagi, separation is actually a curse. Sometimes, separations can be a blessing, and that is an epitome of this situation, no? Kasi kung hindi naman magkakaroon ng separation, hindi naman niya ma-realize. So, that's actually a blessing, no? That's um, how people look at it, diba? So let's check the emotion. What's the point of it all? And I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. See, nakikita pa natin dito yung konting ines ni person B. So, anong point na naman daw nitong sa pagkahaba-haba ng prosesyon, may shortcut naman pala, yan. 'Di ba? Doon din naman sa simbahan ang tuloy. Ay, may shortcut, no? I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So, nakikita natin dito yung pagsusumamo, no? ni person A, nakikita naman natin dito yung ines, parang ang cute lang ng emotion, no? Kasi parang nandito tayo bumalik tayo sa high school days, no? Ang sarap kasi ng feeling na gano'n, na may sinusuyo, may nanunuyo, hindi sa nagpapabebe, no? Pero aminin natin, iba pa rin talaga ang high school days. Ayan, nagre-reminisce na tayo ng past, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer. Baka kapwa Cancer ito, no? Leo. Let's check ha. Did I just said Sagittarius? Yeah. Yeah, so this is your reading, Cancer. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong i-check din yung ibang readings, Babaylan TV po yan. Na kung hindi nyo naman naaabutan yung live sessions, dito sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, pwede nyo namang itanong. And Cancer, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? Doon sa ating mga fake accounts, no? Paki-report na lang po siya, tapos take a screenshot, and then send it to the designated email po, no? Para makapili tayo ng winner of free personal reading. No? And when I said it's free, I mean it. It's free of charge. So kung feeling nyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dito sa comment section, sa description box po, nandun din po yung link ng aking website. No? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information sa pinakababang baba, no? Nandun po ang question form, how much per question, the QR codes for the payment, no, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus one. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. No? Check nyo lang sa pinakababa, no? Ng website. No? Nandun po yung information. May mga label naman, yung QR codes. Ayan. So, Cancer, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.